Again, the first to give us an update, instead of Ma'am Michelle Kagimbal, we have from the office of SGOD, our SGOD chief, Sir Noe Hermosilia.
Medalist si Luz and volleyball elementary.
Sir Noe is not around to give us an update from the CID office, and soon to be full-fledged CID chief, we have Dr. Sylvia Villanueva. A round of applause, please.
Thank you so much, Kalistos and atong MC. Blessed morning to everyone. Maupay nga aga. Today, for the CID updates, today is the start of school year 2024-2025. And this year also, we are transitioning from the BEC 2016 curriculum to the TAG curriculum with its phased implementation that will start this year with kindergarten, grade 1, grade 4, and grade 7. We will be having the school-based training for trainers on the Matatag curriculum for kinder, grade 1, grade 4, and grade 7 teachers this July 31 to August 4. That is 5 days. All our education program supervisors and district heads are now out in the field monitoring the opening of classes, and this whole week will be the monitoring for the Uplan Balik Eskwela. I already did I had the opportunity to monitor schools of Lawang 1, 2, 3 districts yesterday.
Social Mobilization Unit, no? Andiyan ang ating information officer si Davy Aplan, kaagapay ni Sir Omar sa ating pagbibigay ng pagpupugay sa ating mga magigiting na atleta. I am going
In July 17, 2024, list of delegates from Northern Samar. And first, we have our gold medalist from the tennis boys elementary. We have Winston from the Hedam Royal Central Elementary School, Lawang 2 District.
Ay, si Sir Omar.
We're requesting Sir Omar to be the stage. And now, our silver medalist from the triple jump elementary girls, we have Brianna and Coro from Dali Elementary School, San Roque District. 100, Silvino Lobo 600, Mapanas 500 pesos, Katubig 1 540, Katubig 6 650, Lope de Vega 1,000, Lawang 5 750, Kapul 1,000, Pambuhan 1 1,500, Katarman 2 500, Lavisares 1 1,000, Pambuhan 2 970, Katarman 3 1,000, Mondragon 3 600, Katarman 4 550, Lapini 2,500. Our CID chief, we have Dr. Sylvia 1,000 pesos, and our CID SGOD chief, Sir Noe Hermosilia 1,000 pesos, Ma'am Lucila Balonga 500 pesos, Palapag 2 1,000, Anonymous 160 and Anonymous 1,080, a total of 441,510 pesos. So round of applause to our delegates for the Palarong Pambansa 2024. Congratulations.
Palakpakan naman natin ang mga atleta natin. Siyempre, alam ko, may mga kag-anak didi. Sino nga mga bata? Palakpakan natin si nanay at tatay. Oh. Sige, magpapicture daw tayo. Alam ko, pag nagpapicture tayo ngayon, for next year, siguro bilangin natin. Pero hindi 36 goal for next year's palaro. Noong pagdating ng mga batang ito, medyo naghatagakad tuwing pang Jollibee. No? Ngayon, bibigyan ko naman sila dahil kompleto pang McDo. Okay ba kayo yan? Ha? Sige. So, hindi muna kayo uwi na hindi kayo nagmamakdo. Ha? Ano ba nga dyan? Aasahan natin may kabukas incentive pati kami sa Kapitolyo, ha? Lalo na ang mga winners natin sa Ebraa at saka sa palaro. Okay? So, hindi man natin magaya ang ating gold medalist na nabigyan ng 100,000. Pero ay kamo pagmahay, ay ngata naman sito may tsansa. Ano? So, next year, harinawa ipagdasal natin ang mga batang ito. Ito yung batang gold medalist natin. Yan. So, mahal na mahal siya ng mga Tagalawaang. So, gintagan siya sin 100,000. At aton, tag 1 million inirin ang kada pagsayo. Siyempre, ganun tayo magmahal sa ating mga atleta. Yung konting nakayanan, nag-raise tayo ng fund para sa kanila during our most recently concluded Management Committee Conference held in Lapinig, Northern Samar. Kaya natutuwa ako kahit kunting amount lang ito. I know that this will help them realize their potentials. Hindi sa amount yan, kundi sa paagi sa paghatag sin honor. And thank you for bringing glory and honor to our DepEd Northern Samar Division and for the whole Northern Samar and Eastern Visayas region. To our coaches, hats off kami sa inyo at muli sa inyong mga bata, congratulations.
Announcement, lost and found cell phone. Pwede po niyo ma-claim sa planning unit. Again, announcement, lost and found cell phone. You can claim the cell phone from the office of the planning unit. Thank you.
Kamu na po,